All right, I can enter and continue the motion.
Thank you.
What else do we have? Anything else done today?
Do we have anything else? We've been talking about processing stuff, and I think we were going to suggest to the court May 7th.
Just make sure.
Status date.
Yeah.
Schedule.
I think that should be good. I'm supposed to start a jury on Monday, but I can hear this matter then before I continue with the jury trial if we start it on that Monday.
All right, so would you want us 9:45 again?
9:45, okay? So I'll indicate by agreement on all four matters to May 7th at 9:45.
There's one last matter,
Yeah.
Your Honor. Mr. Kelly is on a pre-trial, which means still monitoring him. Rather than having him, because there won't be any court in April, so there won't be a court date for him to report on, can you report the pre-trial by telephone?
Yeah, the pretrial people informed me that they wouldn't have a problem with that, so I'll allow that.
Okay, I will draft an order.
All right, draft an order to that effect and make sure pretrial services gets it, okay?
Thank you.
All right, all right.
Just have
Yeah.
the actual motions and answers for discovery for the court file.
All right, thank you. Okay, anything else? All right, by agreement, May 7th at 9:45. All right, thank you. We're going to stand and recess.
It's going down. That's it.
All right, speak loud.
Okay, so today it was a routine visit. He came for pre-trial. He had to report. We determined that he doesn't have to come anymore. He'll be calling in, and they had a discovery hearing. Basically, it went exactly like we thought it would go. State presented what they had. Discovery, nothing really was done, and so there's going to be a May 7th date that we're going to come back and talk about discovery. Any questions? Excuse me?
Why didn't you until later when?
Well, Mr. Greenberg decided, and he can speak for himself, but he decided it would be done at another date. Right now wasn't the time.
But he's supposed to perform in April.
Yeah, but yeah, well, we can do it in May. It's not a big deal. June.
Why not let the Saturday and also set up that meeting with your daughters?
What does it have to do with where we are today?
Well, it's relevant because they're saying that you were supposed to work together in a meeting and that hasn't happened.
So how do you know that? How do you know one hasn't been set up already?
He said that he has not.
They who?
The family.
Okay. All right.
Willing to address that? Is he going to be back in court May 7th? Will he
Yes.
be back in court? And
Yes, he will.
So he won't show up any time before that?
No, he'll be back in court.
Can you share any more details about this demise of flag counters and where these shows are supposed to be?
Well, right now it has to be resubmitted. We'll talk about that probably next week. Well, we're going to redo the contract, submit it to the judge, and we're going to redesign it right now because we want to. I mean, right now, some things that we want to add to it.
Like what?
Mr. Kelly said he's going to make new music and see the process.
Mr. Kelly has over 300 songs in his archives. 300 songs in his archives. So he's making music every single day. Every day he's making music.
Does he plan any touring here in the States?
We're going to be asking for him to be able to tour here. That's what we're asking. So the biggest thing is overseas. And we'll get to that at some point.
He said he would have to tour in the U.S. also.
He will tour in the U.S., yes.
When were these concerts supposed to be, or is it just whenever he shows up?
Well, we're working on that right now. The details are kind of sketchy. We're working on it. We'll get it done.
Royal family was he supposed to meet with?
We're working on that right now.
Are the April concerts canceled then?
Well, we're not going to say that council. We're just working on some things with the contract right now.
Is he going to be going there in April?
No,
Did you say that on May 7th he does not have to?
I did not say that. He'll be back on May 7th.
Daryl, can you talk about how he's holding up under pressure?
You know what? This is a big deal. You know, some big accusations. And Mr. Kelly has declared his innocence. In the United States, you're innocent until proven guilty. But, you know, when you are accused of something, it weighs heavy on you. So he's anxious to prove his innocence. You know, and he was depressed at first, but right now, you know, he's getting back to things he loves, basketball, music. Once he gets past that, he's ready for trial.
Did he have any trepidation coming back into this film?
No, No, he has any interpretation about coming back here. Absolutely not. Yeah.
How much time has been needed for this description by?
Yeah. I'm gonna let the attorney talk.
My name is Doug Anton. I'm an entertainment attorney. I also do criminal law. I've been asked to help out under
Spell your last name?
ANTON. Been asked to help out. Yes, and address some issues.
File an appearance on behalf of Mr. Kelly?
Yes, we're going to be doing that.
You're going to be doing that?
Yes, it's a process for him to do. So Steve's the captain of the ship. He runs it in the criminal defense. What we're doing is we're addressing entertainment legal issues. Robert needs to be working again. With regard to his travel, proper application needs to be made with proper contracts from either in-country venues or out-of-state or out-of-country venues, such as what we're looking at for Dubai. Although the pickup shows that we usually do in Dubai is something where an out-of-state talent will come, or out-of-country talent will come into country and do personal appearances and then book shows. Court requires a little more formality with regard to how we're going to do that, so we're going to make sure that we do everything the judge and the state need for us to do to comply with those formalities. And then we'll have Robert back working, plus we've got a myriad of other things happening here.
Mr. Anton, can you give us a sense of how many tours, how many appearances we're talking about?
I'll say this. This file contains a bunch of emails, probably about 150 emails that we just pulled off an email server that Robert's gotten in the last month and a half of offers to perform in just every place possible you could think on the planet. So we're now going to structure some things to do in the U.S. He's got several works of recorded product in the can, ready to go. So professionally, it's looking up. Our concern is, always with a case like this, there's the innocence until proven guilty, something we have in the United States. It's part of the UN has the same thing. We have a public perception. People make their own decisions, but slowly but surely, as Steve does his job, as the evidence, or in our position, lack of evidence starts to come forward, people will start to come around and understand where the basis of these charges come from. It's just like in the 1980s, we had a situation where in all of history with cola, nobody ever found a mouse in their cola. All of a sudden, in 1989, somebody found a mouse in their cola. The FDA investigated, and then in the years that came after, people were claiming they found mice in their colas. But there's never been any justification to it. We have a lot of people coming out of the woodwork and claiming they're drinking mouse Pepsi now, and it's just not something that the judicial system is set up to handle the proper way without entertaining and then a finding of not guilty.
Mr. Motion, he stated that Rkelly cannot find work, and you're saying that the offers are pouring in.
Offers are coming in, but we have to just sign up to them. We have to do them the right way. We have to get the contracts, make sure they're valid. Some things are people just writing in, so we have to vet all that out.
All right, that's enough. We're done.
One more second, and then we're going to take it. He's all right. I got to go someplace else right now.
Thank you.
Is he going to Dubai next month or not? No, he's not. Okay.
Please kindly drop your comment, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.